Hello, everybody. Welcome back for week 17 of PE. So excited. It's our last week. Yay! Last week of 2020. And then we get a couple weeks off. So here we go. This week we are continuing to work on chasing, fleeing, and dodging here in the classroom with our capture games. So last week I gave you some activities to do to work on those skills of chasing, fleeing, and dodging. And that was pretty much all that's out there that you could do at home. A lot of the skills of chasing, fleeing, and dodging are skills that you would need to do with another person. And oftentimes, when you're playing tag or just running around after each other, you are working on those skills a lot more than you realize. So, this week I have given you some activities to do that are holiday related. So, for your warm up, you have the would you rather, and you guys have done these before. Who would you rather see, Santa or Rudolph? You've got 10 seconds to decide, and then an exercise is going to pop up, and you do the exercise for 30 seconds. It's either 20 or 30 seconds, I can't remember, right? So you've got that for your warm up, and then you have your next activity is a brain break holiday trivia. So you're going to go through this and I'm going to play a little bit for you. So with that activity, you have, it gives you a chance to learn about some various holidays that are celebrated this time of the year. So that's a good little learning quiz type thing. So you would look at the question, pick your answer, do the exercise based on your answer, and then after you've done your exercise, it's going to reveal to you the correct answer. And then it'll give you another question, right? So it kind of tests your knowledge a little bit about what you know about the various holidays that people celebrate this time of year. And then the next one is I Spy Christmas Fitness. You are basically going to study this picture for a certain time or various pictures. You're going to start out studying this picture for a certain amount of time. And then let's go right here, how to play. It's going to tell us. You have 1 minute to study the picture. Try to remember what the picture looked like. Um, and then they're going to ask you a question about what you saw in the picture. And then based on what you think the answer is, you've got an exercise to do, and you will do that exercise, and then you get another picture. So working on your memory skills, seeing what you can remember by observing and staring at a picture, right, for your memorization. And then the last one is a holiday fitness word search. And so for this one, find a holiday word and attempt and do the exercise for 60 seconds per letter. So like you're going to spell bell, right? So you go from the outside in. So and they'll show you the movement when the video is playing. They'll show you the movement to do. So you've got these list of words to try and build and find based on the exercise and the letter. So little word search, getting you some exercise and up and moving. So those are the activities that you have for this week. I hope you enjoy them. And I hope that you enjoy your holidays and you get a much deserved break, get to spend some time with your family. We get a couple weeks off to re-energize and get ready for the new year. So I want you guys to have a good holidays and be careful. Be safe out there, stay healthy, make sure you're making some good eating choices and definitely getting some exercise and definitely a much needed break. So happy holidays and I'll see you guys in 2021. Bye.